a house without enough bricks or lumber. You can have the best blueprints in the world, but without the necessary materials, you're not going to get very far. The supply chain issues are a major roadblock for AI development, and it's going to take a global effort to overcome them.
Section 4. Feeling the heat AI is getting too hot. Here's a hot take for you. AI is literally generating too much heat. All that processing power requires a lot of energy, and that energy is converted into heat. We're talking about data centers filled with servers running at scorching temperatures. If you've ever felt your laptop get hot after playing a demanding game, you've experienced this firsthand. Now imagine that on a massive scale, with thousands of servers running 24/7. It's a recipe for disaster. Overheating can lead to hardware failures, data loss, and even fires. It also increases energy consumption, which is bad for the environment and our wallets. We need to find ways to cool down AI hardware, or we risk facing some serious consequences.
Section 5. Cooling down the future. What can we do? So, how do we fix this hardware meltdown? It's going to take a multi-pronged approach, but here are a few ideas. First, we need to invest in research and development of more efficient hardware. We need chips that are more powerful, but use less energy and generate less heat. Second, we need to find better ways to cool down data centers. This could involve using liquid cooling systems, exploring new materials, or even building data centers in colder climates. Finally, we need to optimize AI algorithms to be more efficient. Just like you can optimize your code to run faster, we can optimize AI algorithms to use less computing power and generate less heat. The future of AI depends on our ability to solve these hardware challenges. It's a daunting task, but with some ingenuity and collaboration, I believe we can build a cooler, more sustainable future for AI.